Hello guys, welcome back to another video on Saitama Battlegrounds, or should I say, the strongest battlegrounds. And today I will be showing you the new Genos thingy, like Final Flash or something. Yes. If I go over here, you can see Sonic. Yes, yeah. You can just pause to read that. I don't care. Okay. So the first move is called Flash Strike. It's like when you teleport and then slice him. Does 20 damage. And our Whirlwind Kick. This is a close boom, and that only does 50 damage. And I've been trying to find some combos. I think I have. Boom. Yeah, that was a clean combo. I really like the combo, and I actually haven't checked if you can use his main. I don't think so. Like, there. Okay, let me see how much damage this goes. Okay, wow, 37. I don't know how. I'm from Denmark. I don't know how to say that number. And yeah. Actually a very good combo. I'm gonna just kill him. Okay, missed. Okay. Now let's jump into some ranked matches. Yes. Okay. Now we are in ranked. And we are gonna go up against a badass. Nice. And always wish the opponent good luck. Nice. Sonic. Yes, thank you. Okay. We're gonna be trying Sonic
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, he has Garo. Nice. A good one. Okay. Oh, I blocked, man. Okay. Nice. Okay. I don't think it's a combo extender like normal. Come on. Okay. Yeah, it ain't a combo extender. clean. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, I don't have much health. Please attack. I'm going to. Okay. Now, to get serious. That won't work, boy. GG's. I love that combo. A bit spam, maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. Maybe. Okay, now we're gonna use Genos. Maybe a little bit. Maybe. I won't say a lot. Okay, but the cooldowns, they need to... I think the cooldowns are too long. Okay, we're gonna use Genos now. Okay, and Genos will be free. It will be free
3, 2, 1, go!
Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Maybe 5 business days. Yes, who knows? And is this guy gonna do something? Okay. Fucking hard, boy. Okay. Is it free? No. Now. Okay, so. This isn't a family-friendly channel. Channel. So no. Ready? Man, that's cool. Again? Are you serious right now, bro? Is he gonna leave? Please leave. Gonna use Sonic again? Is he gonna leave? Are you just gonna say hi again? I
3, 2, 1, go!
Attack, boy. Attack! Oh, I'm gonna attack. gonna use Flash Strike when we get close. Flash Strike! Nope, didn't it? Nice, he got out of the way. Like, is Sonic a character or something? Like, I have early access, you know that. What, is it free? Sonic, or is it early access as well? Yes, it dashes, yes. Predicted his dash. You can predict things, this is the game. I'm unpredictable, and now he's gonna dash. Huh? That didn't work. I dropped the combo. Yes, I did that. It was totally not an accident. Why is there a skeleton on Earth? Hello? Hello? Aw, it didn't let me type that. Okay, a bacon. Let me get the bolt. No, yes. No, yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Come here, Mario. No, you don't see this coming, do you? No. So. Oh shit. Oh shit. Dash. Yes. Oh, he died. Okay, I didn't think he died. And we're gonna. What about a rape shirt? No, that's not me. Take it off, man. Okay, I have to use a blocky body and some gloves. What about bandages? Yes. This is cool. Oh, take on there. Oh, I didn't see you. Oh. Nope. What? Yes. Yeah, come close to me, boy. And now, so you can attack me. Oh, just GG as always. Don't be toxic, guys. Just say GG's. Not that hard. As you can see, that was Sonic, and I'm gonna end the video here. So bye bye, guys. Like and subscribe. And I'm gonna fuck this guy up.